Good morning, dear students. Neha ma'am here. So, in the last video, we have discussed chapter number 16, Save Our Planet. And now, in this video, we will discuss chapter 17. You can write in copy as chapter number 6, Social Etiquettes. Okay, we have to discuss social etiquettes. So, now, what do we mean by social etiquette? Social means samaj, सोसाइटी, इन सोसाइटी, ठीक है, सोसाइटी में हम कैसा बिहेवियर करते हैं, ठीक है, अपने कलीग्स के साथ, द पर्सन अराउंड अस. So etiquettes means the rules of polite and correct behavior. The rules of polite and correct behavior. It means how we are treating the people around us, the behavior we are showing the people around us that are living with us in society. Okay, that are the etiquettes. Etiquettes means the rules of polite and correct behavior we are showing in society with the people which are around us. Okay, so now in copy, what you have to do in copy, you have to write a question. Question 1, write any 5 rules ऑफ गुड मैनर्स एंड एडिकेट्स इन पब्लिक प्लेसेस. आपको कोई भी 5 जनरल रूल्स लिखने हैं गुड मैनर्स के और एडिकेट्स के, दैट यू हैव टू शो, दैट इज़ नेसेसरी टू शो इन पब्लिक प्लेसेस. ओके, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू हैव टू राइट ओनली दीज 5. नो, यू कैन राइट फ्रॉम योर ओन साइट ऑल्सो. ठीक है, as you all know, there are many good manners and etiquettes that you know you have, there are must, that is must to follow, that is must to do in the public places. Okay, so we are discussing 5 here, and but there are many more that you can write from your own side. Okay, so first we are discussing of general rules. Turn down your portable music. It is very irritating to hear that scratchy sound blasting continuously. Turn down your portable music. If your music, portable music, your tape and any recorder and any portable music is not working properly, okay, its sound is not clear, its sound is irritating, and this is your first duty to turn down, because whenever the people sitting around you, the people around you will listen it get disturbed, this voice will disturb them. Secondly, they can create, in old people it can create a hearing problem. Okay, if the music is so loud, it will create a noise pollution also too. So this is your foremost duty, ठीक है. What you have to do, you have to turn down your portable music. It is very irritating to hear that scratchy sound blasting continuously. Okay, secondly, you have to remember, give up your seat for an adult, especially for an old person or an handicapped person. आपको क्या करना है? If in any public places, for example, you might have seen in a daily life also, this is very common, कि you are traveling in a train, you are traveling in a bus, or you are waiting for a train on a platform, or you are sitting any on a area where you have to wait for any vehicle, okay, or you have to wait for anything. Then you might to notice that if the seats are not available, seats are limited, and there is a rush, okay, there are many old people and there are many handicapped person and many more that is suffering from any disease. They are just standing because seats are limited, seats are not available. So this is your duty. If you find any case like this is your duty. Just give up your seat for an adult, especially the person, those who are old, handicapped, because they need more than you, because they are in the need. So this is a duty, and this is very important thing, that you have to give your seats for an adult, especially for an old person or a handicapped person. Okay, I hope you have understood, and many of you may be doing this, then very good. And those who are not following this, those who are not doing, please, I hope that now you will follow, and you have a good manners and etiquettes that you will follow. Yes. Next, third one, turn off your mobile phone. I am sure the rest of the passengers are not interested in your personal business. Say, if you are traveling anywhere, or if you are in a public area, okay, you are listening to the music by a phone, okay, you are using your laptop in listening the music for passing the time, or okay, so be aware that if to way that your to pass your time, you are using your mobile phone, you are listening your music, you are seeing the movie, you are playing the game, okay, but you have to be also aware by this, that other people which are sitting in the public area around you, maybe they are not interested in listening your mobile phone, your personal business you are going on, that you are enjoying. It's maybe they are in another problem, they have another interest other than you. So you all are having the different interests, all are having a different way to pass the time, or to have their interest. So you have to, if you are in a private, if you are at your home, then okay, you are enjoying yourself as you are doing. But whenever you all are in a public area, then you have to follow the rules, etiquettes, that should be good, that is a good behavior for you. Okay, so whenever you are in a public place, so please turn off your mobile phone, and so that other passengers which are around you, they should not get disturbed. Okay, because maybe some are studying, other are doing their personal work, then they will get disturbed by your sound of your mobile phone. Okay. Fourth one, eating in public ट्रांसपोर्ट इज़ मैशी एंड नॉट नेसेसरी. अगर आप पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट में खा रहे हो, ठीक है, इज़ मैशी एंड नॉट नेसेसरी, वो ज़रूरी नहीं है. आपको पता है कि आप पब्लिक एरिया में अगर खाते हो तो मैनी ऑफ यू हैव एन आइडिया, एंड मैनी ऑफ द जनरल कॉमन पीपल हैव द आइडिया, दे यूज टू ईट एंड दे थ्रो देयर, they throw, because that is a public area, they don't care to pick it up. ठीक है, अगर वो यही काम अपने घर पे करते हैं, then they have to clean the house, because they need a cleanness. But in the public area, same in the public area, you have to follow. As you keep yourself and your family member clean at your home clean, same way. And whenever you eat and you have to throw in the dustbin, same way you have to follow in the public area also. Yes, so many of you have seen, you might have been seeing that many people have this habit of eating in a public transport, and just they throw it, they make it messy. Okay, and wherever they are, they in the public places, they are eating whatever thing they want. The smell of the hamburgers, pies, chips, can be a quite stomach churning to other passenger. It means quite churning, stomach churning means maybe if you are eating, the smell that can affect the other one, maybe the other are not eating that, हो सकता है वो लोग ये नहीं खाते हो. ठीक है, आप अगर नॉन वेज सपोज करिए, कि आप, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग अ एग्जाम्पल. ओके, आई एम नॉट पॉइंटिंग आउट, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एग्जाम्पल, जनरल एग्जाम्पल, कि वॉट एवर if you are eating anything, any food item, maybe non-veg anything, or veg, non-veg anything you are eating, and maybe that other person which is sitting nearby you, they are not eating it. So maybe they are not eating, they should have any effect. Okay, the smell maybe affect him or her. So you have to keep in mind that whenever you are eating anything in public places, okay, that should not disturb another one. Okay, so you have to follow these general rules to keep everyone happy and safe. Next, fifth, sitting with your feet up on the seat is a sloppy and disgusting habit. आपने देखा होगा जनरली, यू मोस्टली मेनी ऑफ यू ऑल्सो डू एट योर होम. आप क्या करते हो, या व्हेन यू आर ट्रेवलिंग ऑल्सो, देन ऑल्सो मेनी ऑफ द पीपल do the same thing. They have the habit, what they used to do, sitting with your feet up on the seat. You can see in the picture में देखिए क्या करते हैं आप, अपने feet से ऊपर अपने, देखिए, you sit on the chair or wherever you are sitting, ये आपकी that is not a good habit. People have to sit there. अभी तो आप बैठे हो, ठीक है, आफ्टर सम टाइम अदर पीपल विल कम एंड दे विल सिट ऑन इट. ओके, सो आपने ये बात सोची, जो आपके सोल्स हैं आपकी शूज़ के, ठीक है, रियली या कभी कभी क्या होता है, हम वी हैव टेकन आउट अवर शूज़ एंड और स्लीपर्स एंड देन वी सिट on chair, table or anywhere, sofa, anywhere you are sitting, then your everything, your legs are on the sofa, your chair, then after you are going and other people is coming, then they are sitting on the same sofa, you can imagine what will happen. Maybe you have an imagined what can cause. Okay, so you have to remember कि sitting with your feet up on the seat is a sloppy and disgusting habit, so people have to sit there and obviously the soles of your shoes really are very dirty. और आपको पता है सोल जो होता है ये जनरल होता है, ठीक है, तो आपको इस बात का ध्यान रखना है कि आप वेन एवर यू आर सिटिंग ऑन अ चेयर और एनी वेयर एल्स, देन योर लेग्स शुड बी you have to not sit like this as shown in the picture. Okay, you have to sit properly. Your leg should be down, not on the सोफ़ा और द चेयर. आपको ऐसे फोल्ड करके नहीं बैठना, आपको प्रॉपरली से बैठना है, ठीक है, सो दैट अदर कैन ऑल्सो कम एंड सिट. एंड इट जनरली हैपन व्हेन यू ट्रेवल, ठीक है, इन ट्रेन, बसेस, सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर बिकॉज जर्म्स कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म फ्रॉम द वन पर्सन टू द अनदर. ओके, ये जो जर्म्स हैं वो एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन पे ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं. सो यू हैव टू कीप योर पर्सनल hygiene. You have to keep you and your nearby neat and clean. Okay, so I hope you will follow all these standard rules, and in future you will keep in mind what are the edicts and what are the good manners you can show in the public places. Okay, I hope you have understood. So in copy, now again one more time I am repeating it. In copy you have to write question, write any 5 ways. This is 5. Write any five general rules of good manners and etiquettes in public places. Okay. So here we have completed chapter number 17. Now next chapter we will continue in the next video. Thank you.